Welcome to the MASB Member Portal. To access, you can click on the Member Login button from the main MASB.org site, or click on any of the main navigation links marked with a padlock icon. These sections are member-only content, and you must be logged in to access them. You'll be taken to a login screen. If this is your first time accessing our new member portal, click on the Forgotten Password link. It will ask you to enter the email address you have on file with MASB to receive an email to reset your password. Please note that the password you previously used for MASB will not work unless you enter that as your new password in the member portal. Once you have a password set, you can click the Remember Me box so it will save your username and password for future visits. After logging in, you'll be redirected back to the main MASB.org homepage. Click on the Member Portal button to access the portal. The main menus in the Member Portal are Home, Member, District, which is only seen by those in the Superintendent Secretary role, and Directories. There are also buttons along the top to access the Learning Portal for self-led online classes or recorded webinars, the Bookstore to order publications, and to log out. The Member menu contains pages and information specific to you. You can edit your own member record, register yourself for events, view a summary of events you've already been registered for, access your transcript, submit credits, which is called tally sheet submission, and view district information. All your member information can be changed on the Edit Your Member Record page. Once any changes are made, click the Submit button near the bottom of the screen. You can also change your password on this screen. To register yourself for an event, select Register for Events from the Member menu. Once you're on the Register for Events screen, select your name from the drop-down under Contacts. Then, select the event you want in the Event drop-down. The session or sessions, if there are multiple options, like for a CBA weekend, will load in the right-hand column. If one isn't already selected, check the box next to the sessions you wish to register for. Then click Add Registration to Cart. A new feature allows you to register yourself for multiple events in one order. Simply choose another event from the drop-down, ensure the session or sessions you want to attend are checked in the right-hand column, and click the Add Registration to Cart button again. Once you've added all the events you wish to register for, select your payment type and click the Continue button. If you select Bill Me Later, your order will be submitted to MASB and we will follow up with an invoice. If you select Credit Card, you'll be taken to the checkout. To see a summary of all past events you've registered for, click on the Member menu, Register for Events, and select My Event Registration Summary. From the same Member menu, Access Transcript will show you all the EDU and CBA credits associated with your record, along with all the award levels you've achieved. You can export your transcript to a PDF to keep a copy for your records. Tally sheet submission is for EDU credits and award submissions. Members who attend non-MASB classes are able to submit them for credit consideration using this form. View district information shows your district details and is only able to be edited by the primary contact. For districts, this is the Superintendent Secretary. The Directories menu includes the Member Directory, VIP Directory, and Board Profiles. In the District menu, Superintendent Secretaries can modify their district record under Edit District Information. To update your district contacts, select District Member Updates from the District menu. Click the magnifying glass next to the board member you wish to update. Make sure all the fields with red asterisks are filled in and up to date. This is where you can change the end date for someone who was reelected or simply update their contact information. If you have a new board member, click on the Add button. You will need to select Board Member from both the contact type and position title drop-downs. Board Office will be Trustee unless they have an officer role. Please fill in all other fields, particularly those that are required as marked by a red asterisk. Superintendent secretaries also have the ability to register any of their board members for an event by clicking Register for Events under the District menu. First, select the contact you would like to register and then the event. Add the registration to the cart. You can register multiple members in the same order. Simply select the next contact you would like to register and then select the event. Be sure to add the registration to the cart. If you hit the Cancel Order button, it will remove all registrations on this order. If you click the Delete button next to each, it will only remove the registration from the order and keep the others. Once you've added all the contacts and events you wish to register for, select your payment type and click the Continue button. If you select Bill Me Later, your order will be submitted to MASB and will follow up with an invoice. If you select Credit Card, you'll be taken to the checkout. In the District menu, Superintendent secretaries can also see event registration summaries for all district members in the subpage under Register for Events, and view all the contacts associated with their district. You can edit individual records from this screen too by clicking the pencil icon on the far left. Lastly, superintendent secretaries can view board member transcripts, including what CBA classes have been completed, for your district members. That concludes our overview of the member portal. As you work in the member portal and have questions or comments, please contact us at membership@masb.org or by calling 517-327-5900.